Same pattern of question number 9, Kumba. See question number 10. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So we will have, see this question children, we will have two poles, AB and CD are two poles. Okay. So they ask you to find out the height of the pole. If you are getting the height of one pole, that is equal to the another pole because both are having the same height. Okay. And from the point, find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. Okay. From this is the road. The width of the road they are given as 80 meter. Okay. So E is the point on the road. From this point we are observing the top of the two poles. First pole we are observing and making an angle of elevation 60 degree, and the second pole we are observing and it makes an angle 30 degree. That is given in the question data. Okay. And the width of the road they are given as 80 meter. Suppose the second pole from the point of observation I am considering as x means, what about the first pole from the point of observation? Total is 80. This is x. So the point of observation, from the point of observation to the second pole, the distance, first pole, the distance is 80 minus x. Okay. So we will have two right triangles. What are the two right triangles in this diagram? ABE and CDE. Okay. So first both the right triangles you consider it and you must find out the values of BE and ED. From that we will get the value of x. Okay. So x is the point from the second pole and from the first pole only they ask, that we will get it. So pole's height we can consider as h. Okay. So h, let AB equal to CD equal to h meter be the height of the poles and BD equal to 80 meter, that is the width of the road. E is the point of observation from the road. Point of observation from the road. Okay. So see that from right triangle, which triangle we are considering first? ABE, isn't it? So from triangle ABE, this is 60 degree. So OP by edge, tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AB divided by BE, that is AB is h divided by B, 80 minus x. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h divided by 80 minus x. So h is equal to 80 minus x into root 3. Put it as equation number 100. Okay. Then again consider right triangle CDE. From right triangle CDE, tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 is equal to what children? CD divided by ED. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is equal to CD, h divided by ED, x. Okay. So x is equal to, which implies cross multiply cheyumba we will get x is equal to h root 3. X is equal to h root 3 or h is equal to what we will get? H is equal to x by root 3. Isn't it? h is equal to x by root 3. So this is equation number 2. See the both equation. First equation we got h is equal to 80 minus x into root 3. Second equation we got h is equal to x by root 3. If we are equating 1 equal to 2, the right side of both equation is same, isn't it? So from that we will get the value of x. Then after getting the x value, if you are substituting any one of the equation, in equation 2 we will get the h value also. Okay. So can we do that? So see children, equation 1 equal to equation 2. Therefore 1 equal to 2 implies equation 1 round equal to equation 2 round, which implies 80 minus x into root 3 equal to x divided by root 3. So what we have to do first? We have to cross multiply. For root 3 into root 3 we will get 3. So how I can write this as 80 minus x into 3 equal to x. Remove the bracket. 80 into 3. 3 8s are 24. So 240 minus 3x equal to x. So 240 minus 3x equal to x. So 240 is equal to x plus 3x. X terms you have to group with the other side of the equation. So 240 equal to 4x. So 4x equal to 240 means x equal to what children? 240 divided by 4. That is x equal to 6 4s are 24, 60 meter. So we got the value of x, that is the point of observation from the second pole, only x. Okay, so that is 60 meter. So first pole means what? 80 minus x. So 80 minus x is what? 80 minus 60, that is 20 meter. Okay, the first pole is 20 meter from the point of observation, and second pole is what? X, that is 60 meter from the point of observation E. So what you will write the conclusion? Therefore the first pole is 80 minus x. 80 minus 60, that is equal to 20 meter from the point of observation, that is the point E. Okay, and second pole is, the diagram itself I given x and 80 minus x, that value only I am substituting. So second pole is 20 meter away from E. So first part of the question over. Then what is, find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the pole. So distance of the point from the poles finished. Next we must find out the height of the pole. So height of the pole h is equal to x by 60. Substitute x is equal to 60 in equation 2 round. H is equal to x by 60 divided by root 3. That is equal to root 3, 60 root 3 divided by 3. That is 20 root 3 meter. So what will be the height of the poles? 20 root 3 meter. So we got the height of the pole as 20 root 3 meter, and distance from the point first pole is 20 meter and distance from point second pole is 60 meter. Okay, so that both the parts, first section and second section